So this is the spleen.
The animal spleen is firm but tender in consistency. It is smooth and has sharp border. In swine, the spleen is long and narrow. It feels flabby and it is bright red in color and later brownish red. While in cattle, it is longitudinally oval and flat. Its color is reddish brown in young fat animals and more blue, later grayish blue in those that are not fat. The animal spleen acts as a blood filter and a key player in the immune system.
The spleen has two parts, the head and the tail. So the head and the tail is also called the hilum.
The function of the spleen is to remove aged and damaged red blood cells. It produces antibodies, destroys pathogens, and serves as an emergency blood reservoir. The organs is divided into two primary types of tissue, the white pulp and the red pulp. The white pulp is the part of the immune system that produces lymphocytes and antibodies to fight off blood-borne infection, while the red pulp acts as filter to capture and destroy old or abnormal red blood cells and stores reserve of red blood cells, platelets, and iron. The spleen is supplied by splenic artery coming directly from the aorta, not via the portal blood vessels. Then the blood will drain via splenic vein, and the splenic vein will join the mesenteric vein, and then it will enter the portal circulation until it reaches the heart. Because of this, when a foreign infectious material enters the blood circulation, the primary organs to be affected is the spleen. Oh, no! The inflammation of this organ is called splenitis, and the abnormal enlargement of the spleen is called splenomegaly.